The New Testament Church of God 101st National Convention presents Business Expo 2026, Empowering Enterprises, Igniting Innovation, Driving Impact. Here, Senator the Honorable Aubin Hill, Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, the Honorable Floyd Green, Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, speak with representatives from Sagicor, Heart Trust, ILDS International, Gomex and Quartz. Purchase items and get information from over 30 small businesses. Watch the Small Business Pitch Competition powered by the Development Bank of Jamaica. Technical workers, bring your resume. Yes, we are accepting them. Saturday, July 11th, starting at 10 a.m. at the New Testament Church of God Convention Center, Rodenspen, Old Harbor. Come for the fun and experience. Giveaways every hour. Bounce House for the Children, sponsored by the Development Bank of Jamaica and the Sagicor.